Hi everyone, welcome to RusticInkAngel Designs. This is me, Crystal, and I am so excited to announce that I am once again designing for Craft Supplies for You. This is a video of this month, which is January 2020, my design team package from KS for You. So let's get started. Let me take off the... Oh, I've got to get used to working this. Let me take off the banner, and again, it is Craft Supplies for You, and there are lots of places to find us, which, of course, Facebook, Instagram, blog, Pinterest, and it'd be fun just if you guys could follow along just to see what us designers do with all of the fun goodies. So the first thing I want to say is welcome to RusticInkAngel Designs. I appreciate you guys stopping by and watching my video. And this is going to be my very first item, which will be, I have the item number and everything listed. So the item number is number 605-670. And I want to let you know that there is a huge sale. If you use the code FAB40, so lowercase FAB, and then 40, then you will get 40% off of everything in the entire store, and there's an extra 60% off of all flowers. Yes, I said all flowers. And as you guys remember, I'm sure, if you follow me, that I absolutely love the parchment flowers. Absolutely, hands down, are fantastic. And I'll show you some of the other ones that I've got real quick. Not that it's all of them, but I'll show you some of them. So, of course, there's the shabby pink, which I absolutely love. And I want to apologize for my nails. My nails are hideous right now. I'm going to be doing them today. But this is shabby pink. And then this is a red color, of course. But look how shabby they are. This is another style that has your little... oh my gosh, it's not a rosebud. Okay, I can't think of what the word is, and I'm into flowers. Oh my gosh, it's going to drive me nuts. Okay, anyway, and little white, rosebuds as well. They come in all sorts of colors. I have blue over here too, but I don't want to pull them out because it'll make a mess. And I already have to keep those hidden from my cat because she likes to get up there and play with them. So again, this is white pleated trim. It is absolutely gorgeous. I have a few ideas with this, so stay tuned because I will be doing something fun with this. You guys are going to want to grab a hold of this. It is, again, white pleated trim, number 605/670. And it's absolutely gorgeous. And then next, I've got white gimp trim. And that number is 488- excuse me, 670. And as you can see, this is not a normal gimp, okay? This is a gimp trim. So make no mistake, this is not a regular gimp. And I will pull out a gimp for those of you that don't know what a normal gimp looks like. I'm sure everyone does, but I'll just show you anyway. This is a normal gimp, okay? This is a gimp trim. And so you can clearly see the difference. So, and that number again is 488-670. And then the next item that I got was these lovely, 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 lovely butterfly appliques. And if you guys follow me, then you know I did a canvas, mixed media canvas, and I used these as wings on the back of a corset. It turned out absolutely beautiful, if I do say so myself. It's one of my favorite canvases that I've done. And that number is 1-155, and they come in a 2-pack. And as you can see, they're a pretty good size. I believe they're like 4.5 inches by 3, if I remember correctly. They're a good size. The next item is the rhinestone bow. Now, again, Nikki found this when she did her design team package before, and I absolutely fell in love with this. This is absolutely gorgeous. That number is 84-108, and hopefully you're able to see just how gorgeous that is. And it's a pretty good size as well. It is, how big is it? It's 2.25 by 1 inch. So 1 inch tall, 2.25 inches wide. Again, that number is 84-108. Next up is rhinestone bling. Now let me tell you what. Okay, when I put this in my cart, I thought that this was, you know how you get the appliques and they are on mesh, the wedding appliques, and they're on mesh and they're very sparse. I was completely floored when I got this. I actually called Julie, the owner of KS for You, and was like, oh my gosh, I had no idea that was the quality it is. I mean, that is crazy. It is absolutely gorgeous. And it is, let's see, it's almost 4.5 long by 2.5 wide. It's a good size. That's a really, really, really good size. So, yeah. Next item. Oh, again, that item number is 77-108. So the next item up will be the little bronze violin charms. And let me just say, these are adorable. I have an idea for a project, and so I got these because they're just adorable. And they are about 1.25, 1 inch and a quarter tall, and they're probably 1/2 inch wide, if that. But yeah, they are absolutely gorgeous. They're very, very detailed, very good details. And there's 8 to a package, and I believe, yeah, they were $2, so then you'll get your extra 40% off. Again, that number is 45-144. 45-144. Next up, we have cream GIMP trim. And again, it's not your regular GIMP. This is GIMP trim. Okay? Hopefully you can see. It's very, very, very pretty. Very dainty. And it does have a little teeny bit of like some, not hieroglyphic, what is that word? Oh my gosh, I'm awful with words today. Anyway, it's got some glittered, oh my gosh, why can't, holographic, that's the word. Holographic glitter thread that's running through the top. Both of them do. So if you catch it at an angle, and I don't know if you can, yeah, you can't really catch it on the camera. But it's just enough that adds a little teeny bit of sparkle, but not that it overtakes the trim. It's not just to look at, and it's not going to interfere at all if you just want it plain on something, or if you want it, you know, with a bunch of other stuff. It's really not going to matter at all. So again, this has been my January 2020 design team package from KS for You. And I just want to say thank you to Julie for inviting me to be a designer again for her. I really, really appreciate it. And you can find, let's see, you can find KS4U at www.ks4u.net. And again, I want to thank you for stopping by RusticInkAngel Designs. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Bye.